folks, it's Rick from AC Coca Refrigeration. This is part 2 of the Ducane. Blown circuit breaker, dead short. I replaced the starter capacitor and the contactor, and it's working fine. Got heat, won't fall down now. Had to tie it in place. Whoever worked on it before didn't attach it to that, and it just fell right down as you see in part 1. So folks, give us a call for your service for the spring. 484-764-7738. Let's keep the cost down for you and get it reliable, dependable. God bless.